any minute now we will head out. And our tuk-tuk driver is waiting for us outside. So, yeah. Okay, so we're now here at our tuk-tuk ride that we go from Tuk for around 700 plus, near 800. So we're off to Angkor Wat Adventures. So after 20 minutes we arrive here at the ticket center for Angkor Wat. You will pay $37 each. By the way guys, here in Cambodia they accept dollars, so I think you don't need to change into Riel. Except when you book for Grab Tuk-tuk, they always ask for Riel money. So this is the Angkor Archaeological Park Ticket Center. So we just paid $37 for a one-day pass, and then they'll take your picture, and then there's so many choices to choose from there, but we only offer one day because we're going to Bangkok tomorrow. So we're going back to our tuk-tuk ride and then start with the adventure. So there's a lot of souvenir shops around the ticket booths as well, so you might want to check it out. So they have this check point there. They will check your IDs so that you can really enter the... So our tuk-tuk driver dropped us here. So tour guides are everywhere. They will offer you at least maybe $17 each for tour guides, but we won't opt for that because that's too expensive, and we're not gonna stay that long. We're just gonna take pictures around the place. So this is what it looks like inside of the first temple. If you got tired from exploring the temples, there are sari stores out there. There's vendors out there, sells t-shirts and everything. Food, maybe water. You really need it here. So we've been here for almost 30 minutes now, and we haven't even entered the biggest temple because we've been taking pictures side to side. Yeah. There's a lot of tourists today, even though it's I think it's Wednesday or Tuesday today. It's Tuesday today, right? So ito, hindi ko maintindihan kung swimming pool ba ito noon or ano. Pero ito, laban. We've been here for 45 minutes. Let's go. We are just about to leave because it's already 1 hour, but it's here. So we just spent 1 hour and 30 minutes here at the first temple. Now we're going back so that we can go to other temples because this is just the first. And I think we'll be visiting around 3 to 5 temples if we can, because we only have 1 day pass. So that's there. We'll lead you up to there, but we don't have time for that. So we'll just skip that line. Yay! Bye! Angkor Wat! Heading to the next temple! My advice for if you come here at Angkor Wat, you bring umbrella, you bring water. You don't take pictures in here, just go right inside because you'll just waste your time. Look at that. We just spent 20 minutes here earlier. But there's more inside. But we still have 3 to 4 more temples to go. And my advice, don't buy everything there. You just buy like 3 to 4 trinkets and then go to other temples. Maybe there's much better what do you call that? Offers there for your souvenir needs. So that's all for Angkor Wat really. So we're heading back to our tuk-tuk. Let's go. So hot. And now we're moving on to Thom. What?
Angkor Thom.
Angkor Thom. Kala ka Thom. Angkor. Rehydrate yourself. Okay? We've stocked so many waters in here, but it's not cold, so you can buy there. It's about $3.
The water?
Yeah.
No. Maybe $1.
Okay.
It's again.
Yeah, can we? Angkor. So after 5 minutes, we've arrived here at Angkor Thom.
Yeah.
So this is it. Our tuk-tuk driver left us to take pictures. It's here. Took us like 5 to 6 minutes to take pictures and pass by Angkor Thom. Now we're heading to another temple and then after we'll have lunch. This is a Prohm. Top Prohm. No, not this one. Angkor Thom. Oh, that was it. That was the entrance for Angkor Thom earlier. I like it better here. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Like dito dako ra siya, but this one, ang aesthetics really grabe. Mo gid ako maingon, no? Nice. So we are planning to stay here for about at least 20 to 30 minutes just to take pictures because we need to take lunch. It's already 11:30. It's really steep, the stairs. Now that we're done with our lunch. We're heading to the Tomb Raider location, movie location.
Around here or the outside here, the toilet. No need come back.
So after eating, we head back here in Prohm, where the Tomb Raider was shot. And we are the Tomb Raiders. Because we're so dark. Where's the temple? There. Thank you. You need to show this every time you enter another temple. Thanks for the shade. Umiwas kayo sa may mga tourist guide kasi maraming tourist. So dun muna kayo pumunta sa hindi pa nila pinupuntahan para hindi masyado maraming tao. Okay? Thank you. Now we're leaving Prohm. And we still have 2 more temples to go before we go back to our hotel and get some rest. Because it's too hot today. Can't enter because I think it's under construction. So we'll just go around our 4th temple. Oh. Now it looks the same to me. There's no difference. Well, you can't see because it's too small. That's why it smells. That's why it smells like somebody peed in there. Yeah, it's because of the bats. Oh, oh, oh. And we're almost done. I'm not sure though. It's really nice in here. Look. Oh, I think it would look good if you wear something red, yellow, vibrant colors. It would look good on your picture. Mine's dead one. Oh, I mean, it looks good, but red is much attractive. Oh, we're almost done. There's the exit. Thank you. Oh, they have really cold bucos here. You know what's called? You know what's called?
Outside.
The
Inside is not.
We are fooled once again.
So refreshing.
But it's sweet though, it's sweet. But but we're looking for a cold one. Okay, we're going back to Tuktuk and I think we're heading back to our hotel now. Thank you. Okay, Saka. Akyat, go! Alang-alang sa picture. Buti na lang hindi ka nag-Gucci. You can do it.